Meet the Makita Cordless Vacuum Sweeper, a powerful battery-powered sweeper designed for warehouses, factories, workshops, retail stores, and commercial facilities. Unlike a traditional push sweeper, the Makita combines rotating brushes with powerful vacuum suction. That means dust stays inside the machine rather than being blown back into the air. It's capable of collecting everything from fine dust through to larger debris in a single pass. The powered side brush pulls dirt away from walls and corners into the main brushes, ensuring no debris is left behind. Designed with excellent balance and responsive steering, the Makita vacuum sweeper is incredibly easy to maneuver. Whether you're cleaning narrow aisles around shelving or between machinery, it remains comfortable and effortless to control. From smooth concrete and epoxy floors to low-pile carpets and commercial flooring, the Makita vacuum sweeper delivers excellent cleaning performance across a wide range of surfaces. Brush height can be adjusted in seconds without tools, allowing you to optimize performance for different floor surfaces and brush wear. Powered by Makita's 40 volts XGT battery platform, you get complete cordless freedom with the performance needed for demanding commercial cleaning. The integrated HEPA filtration system captures fine dust particles before they're released back into the environment. This helps improve air quality while making the machine ideal for warehouses, workshops, and other commercial environments where dust control is essential. Everything is controlled from the ergonomic handle. Select between 2 brush speeds and 2 vacuum power settings. Switch on the LED headlights. Activate the filter shake function and monitor battery life with the built-in battery indicator. An optional storage box can be fitted to the top of the sweeper, providing a convenient place to store spare batteries and the charger. It's a practical accessory that keeps everything organized and ready for the next job.